Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this superb 508 SW in the GT line specification. So this car comes with full LED headlights, 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got half leather interior with heated front seats. The touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this there's dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with speed limiter. You also get blind spot detection, speed limit recognition and lane positioning assistance. So let's have a look around. This car has the 2-litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 160 horsepower. It's got an 8-speed automatic gearbox, done less than 7,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.